The great structure isn't one that harms the scene, however one which makes the scene more gorgeous than it was before the structure was constructed. Concentrate on nature, love nature, remain nearby nature. It won't ever bomb you. We make our structures and afterward they make us. In like manner, we build our friend network and our networks and afterward they develop us. Structure follows capability, that has been misjudged. Structure and work ought to be one, participated in a profound association. A structure ought to seem to develop effectively from its side and be molded to blend with its environmental factors in the event that nature is manifest there. I know the cost of progress, commitment, difficult work, and an unremitting dedication to the things you need to witness. You need to go earnestly into anything to accomplish anything worth having. No house ought to at any point be on a slope or on anything. It ought to be of the slope, having a place with it. Slope and house ought to live respectively, each the more joyful for the other. Workmanship is a revelation and improvement of rudimentary standards of nature into lovely structures reasonable for human use. You can utilize an eraser on the drafting table or a demolition hammer on the building site. We ought to gain from the snail. It has formulated a home that is both perfect and functional. We ought to gain from the snail. It has contrived a home that is both flawless and utilitarian. The mother workmanship is design. Without our very own engineering we have no spirit of our own human advancement. Love is the righteousness of the heart, truthfulness is the prudence of the brain, choice is the uprightness of the will, mental fortitude is the excellence of the soul. From the get-go throughout everyday life, I needed to pick either legitimate pomposity and misleading lowliness. I picked legit presumption and have witnessed no event to change. The closest companion on earth of man is the tree. When we utilize the tree consciously and monetarily, we have one of the best assets of the earth.